Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anggun Septiarani with NPM 12441202331 from the Accounting Study Program. On this occasion, I will present one of the most important concept in finance, the time value of money. This concept underlies almost all financial decisions, but for individuals and companies. Next slide. Time value of money is a fundamental concept in financial management that states that the value of money today differ from the value of money in the future. This difference is value is influenced by various factors such as inflation, risks, and investment opportunities. The main principle of time value of money states money held today is more valuable than money of the same nominal value in the future, because money held today can be invested to generate return. Every financial decision involving time, investment plan, loans, savings, interest calculation, asset purchases, or project analysis in variable use the concept of time value of money is a basis. Next slide. Theoretical basis of time value of money, or TVM, arises from the following economic and financial theories. Number one, economic value theory. Money has an economic value that tends to change due to market dynamic, prices of goods, and human needs. As time passes, this value experience distortion, either increasing or decreasing. Number two, opportunity cost of capital. Any money not investment means a lost opportunity to gain profit. This is called opportunity cost. Number three, consumption preference theory. Most individuals prefer current consumption over future consumption. This preference makes current money more valuable. Number four, risk return trade-off. The financial concept states that the higher the risk, the higher the expected rate of return. Time risk, so money in the future has a lower value than money today. Provide a longer explanation. Next slide. Why is time value of money important? Time value of money is important because number one, change is purchasing power due to inflation. Inflation reduces the real value of money with 5% inflation per year. 1 million rupiah today is only worth 200 3018 next year. Number two, money can earn interest. Money can be invested and earn interest or profit. Number three, future uncertainty. Future income is uncertainty, so its value must be discounted to the present. Number four, financial decisions. Making all investment decisions are based on comparing current cost with future return. Number five, risk and return management. Time value of money is used to assess the feasibility of project, loans, asset purchases, and bonds. Explanation for next slide. Future value is the future value of money after it has grown through interest or return. This concept helps us understand how much money will be worth after being interest for a certain period of time. The formula for calculating future value is FV is PV times 1 plus RN. Here, PV is the present value of money, R is the interest rate or rate of return per period, and is number of periods. Future value takes into account compound interest, which is interest calculated not only on the initial capital but also on the interest earned in process periods. In other words, money left to grow will grow much more than if the interest were not compounded. Next slide. The opposite of future value is present value or PV. Present value answers the question what is the current value of a sum of money to be received in the future. This concept is crucial because it is used to assess whether receiving money in the future is truly beneficial when calculated using the present value of that sum. The formula is PV is FV 1 plus Rn. With this formula, we can calculate the present value of money that will be received in the future. The PV concept is widely used in business project assessment, long-term investment, and financial feasibility analysis. Without understanding PV, we can misjudge whether an investment is truly profitable or not. Next slide. An annuity is a series of fixed payments made periodically, such as monthly or annually. Then this concept is frequently encountered in everyday life, for example, in mortgage payment, vehicle installments, insurance payments, or pension funds. There are two main types of annuities. First, ordinary annuity, where payments are made at the end of the period. This type is the most commonly used. Second, annuity due, where payments are made at the beginning of the period. This is typical use is list of certain contracts. TVM is also used to calculate the present value or future value on annuity. By understanding this concept, we can calculate the appropriate installment amount or the accumulated value of the period payments. Next slide. We will discuss the advantage of applying the time value of money concept. First, VTM makes investment calculations more accurate. By taking into account changes in the value of money over time, we can determine the true value of future cash flow. This helps us determine whether an investment is truly profitable or simple operate large in nominal terms. Second, TBV help avoid loss due to misjudgment about the value of money. Without TVM, we easily because fixed or nominal figures without considering inflation or opportunity cost. As a result, decisions made can lead to long-term loss. Third, TVM is crucial for long-term financial planning. Through the concept of present value and future value, we can plan financial needs such as education funding, retirement funds, and other financial goals more realistically. Fourth, TVM allow you to objectively assess risk and return. By discounting cash flow based on risk level, investment decisions become for measure and do not rely solely on estimates or institutions. Finally, TVN is the foundation of almost all modern financial theories and models, starting from NPV calculations, ERR, bond valuation, to project analysis. Everything is based on the concept of the time value of money. Next slide. Although time value of money has many advantages, this concept also has several limitations that we need to understand. First, TVM relies heavily on interest rate estimates in reality. Interest rates or discount rates can change at any time due to economic conditions, monetary policy, or market risk. If estimates are inaccurate, the calculation result can be misleading. Second, future cash flow are contained. TVM assumption that cash flow can be projected when in practice, revenues and expense can change due to many factors beyond our control, such as change in demand, competition, or inflation. Number three, TVN does not fully incorporate extreme risks as the economic crisis, pandemic, or their unforeseen events. TVN calculation typically use average risk, thus not reflecting the impact of extraordinary events. Finally, TVM calculation can be very complex, especially when cash flow are irregular, volatile, or use multiple interest rates. This makes the analysis require more sophisticated technical knowledge and tools. By understanding that limitations, we can be more cautious and not really TVM, but also consider a broader economic factor and risks. Next slide. Time value of money is the foundation of all modern financial concepts. Time and value of money help us understand how the value of money changes over time and how to calculate the future value of money versus the present value of money. The concept of present of value of future value enable us to make more accurate financial decision, whether for investment, savings, retirement planning, or corporate decision making. By understanding time value, we can plan our finance much more effectively, anticipate inflation, minimize risk, and take advantage of exciting investment opportunity. Thank you for your attention and the opportunity given. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.